Hello everybody, I'm going to a car wash today. This will be at the Shell gas station on Higley Road. I believe this was a Valero before. This is a PDQ Tandem. I know, Mitchell, you are going to love this. It is a Pro Touch Tandem, because Mitchell does love these kind of car washes, I think. I'm going to get the $12 car wash because it's rained and my car hasn't been through the wash in a while. There is your money machine. I'm hoping I don't need to have a code, but it says to please wait. But there's a card reader, so I shouldn't have to have a code, but I'll wait till it's done and then I'll try to purchase it. So I'm going to stop the video here for now. Okay, so I actually had to go inside and purchase a code, and the lady said that they don't accept payment at the machine, so I got the $12 car wash and I'm going through it right now. I already put the code in and everything. Mitchell's favorite, a PDQ Tandem. Yeah, it rained heavily in the valley, so this car hasn't been washed in a while. I thought I would take it since I have some downtime. I think some of these have been ripped out around here. I know one for sure has. dryers don't move. Alright, and that's it. Wait, it still says stop. Okay. Okay, I get what it's doing now. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And there's a gas station there. It's a pretty new one too. And that will be it.